Hello. I wanted to take a minute to go over some navigation functionality that was added in Vicinity 4.3, our March 2020 release. In a previous video, I recorded the ability to do a partial lookup on really any part through this navigation dialog box, lookup box. You could look up a part number, in this case RMO2. We find two different components, and then if I type in 460, that's a batch number. Of course, I can select that, and it'll navigate me. It'll drill back, opening the screen that's tied to that record, as well as bring up, in this case, the batch. What I wanted to expand on is that this is actually available not just from this lookup window, but rather anywhere you are in the system. I could be sitting in, say, component entry, and I'm working on something. Let's just say that here I'm going to do RMO2. I'm going to go ahead and pick up a part number for DCRMO2. Let's say I'm working on this and somebody says, hey, can you look up batch X, or you want to go somewhere else and look up a lot or something like that. You can use a keyboard shortcut, which is Ctrl-Space bar. Hold down the Control and hit the space bar, and it brings up this same lookup we were just talking about. So I can say 460 and pull up batch, and it again launches batch entry and opens that specific batch. So really what we're talking about with Control Space is the ability to make this lookup available. That was the same lookup that was off the main navigate to, off the main dashboard of the system. So it just so happened I had component entry open, but it didn't really matter where I was. If I didn't want to have to go up to that navigate, just Control Space bar, and I've got my intelligent lookup, as you've been seeing on a couple of videos. So here's an example of us trying to do things to make your life a little bit easier. Feel free to give us some feedback. We always love to hear it and get it into future releases. Thanks a lot and have a great day.